Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Facebook lead ad forms with Zapier. First of all you have to do is go to Zapier website and sign in with your account and then click on Zap. From here you have to select Trigger. On this section you have to search for Facebook lead ads. You have to click on it. On the event section you can choose an event called New Lead, and then you have to sign in or connect your Facebook account on this section by clicking on this sign in button and sign in with your Facebook account. Once your Facebook has been connected, and you have to select your Facebook page on the configure section. Once you've done this step, all you have to do is go to the actions tab. Now in the actions tab you can do anything, basically anything. For example, you can automate it with your Gmail, your Google Drive, Google Docs. I will select Google Sheets. I will choose an event whenever a new lead has been created on Facebook lead ads. What I want to do is I want to create a clear spreadsheet row, or I want to create a spreadsheet column, for example, and then I have to connect my Google Sheets account with Zapier. By clicking on this, I have already connected my account and I have to click on continue, and you can do basically any stuff. You can create columns, you can update columns, you can also change from Google Sheets to any. You can go to Slack, you can create Notion, Action, you can do anything, unlimited possibilities with Zapier. And that's how you can integrate Facebook lead ad forms with Zapier. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.